Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of this product. This is something a little bit different. Lately I have been using a lot of oil pastels and I really enjoyed that. And then I saw that there were some water-soluble oil pastels. Probably seen me use these, which are similar to maybe the Caran d'Ache Neil Color 2s. These are a water-soluble crayon that is like wax-based, I believe. So this is different than the oil-based. So I'm curious to see how these work. This is something I found a pretty good deal on. There were 24 colors. It says Hashi. It has a beautiful box with inspiring artwork on there. Aquarelle, oil pastel, extra soft, water soluble. So I was going to swatch those out and see what we can do here. So I have some kashi, I was writing hashi, or hashi, I don't know how to say that, but Canson watercolor paper, and just going to put the date there. And this is the 24 set. So let's go ahead and open that up. They have a little foam bit here. On the inside cover, they tell you what the colors are. So we have white, salmon pink, yellow, yellow orange, orange, vermilion, red, magenta, lavender, violet, dark ochre, dark brown, ochre, raw sienna, light blue, sky blue, cobalt blue, Prussian blue, cobalt green, cadmium green, yellow green, olive, dark gray, and black. All right, so start with the white. So I'll swatch them. This is what they look like. Kind of remind me of the Prima ones. I don't have the Prima, but they kind of look like that style. So this is how thick they are. So pretty good size. The tip to toe here is about 3 1/4. And let's check it out. So very buttery. There's little bits that come up. And then we will hydrate these, I think, all at the same time. Orange. Vermilion, which is one of my favorites. The red, that's very buttery, very rich. Magenta, this is magenta. Ooh, it's bright. Lavender. Violet. Dark ochre. Dark brown. Ochre. Raw sienna. Light blue. Sky blue. Just a little dark to me, but cobalt blue. Prussian blue. Cobalt green. Green. Yellow green. Olive. Dark gray. And black. So when you're just laying down the color, we'll blend some in just a second, maybe over in this corner. A couple of the colors seem a little hair off to me, but nevertheless, let's go ahead and get a water brush and some water. So let's hydrate these. Of course, the white's going to be hard to see on camera, but salmon pink. So it takes a little bit to activate it. Yellow. That did a little bit better. So you kind of have to work into the paper if you don't want that sort of ghosting look of where you scribbled. So some nice colors. I think it takes, this is the only set I've ever had that was water soluble oil pastel. So it's an interesting concept to me compared to my Lyra ones, but some nice colors. Not a super expensive set, so I've got my pink blended here with a little vermilion. A little bit transparent, I think. What we've got so far. Projects, cards even, maybe. We'll have to see how they dry and if they're sticky. You know, like oil pastels never really dry because they're oil, but so they always have, you have to kind of have a fixative on them or put them under glass or something. With these, we'll have to see as we go here. I like them. I'm not over the top, like, woo. I mean, they seem nice. I'll have to try that out. I like that green. Cadmium green. But I feel like this Canson water paper does a good job with many different medium or media. This is the olive, which is very yellow. My opinion, it needs a little more green into it. And then this is called dark gray, but it's very kind of medium gray. And then the black. It's a nice black. Look how bold that is. So that's nice for filling in a lot of space. There. So they blend really nicely. So it's nice. And then if you activate that, so let's see here. So if we've got a flower, just do something really quick. Okay. And we'll activate that. So this yellow is dry and the salmon pink is dry. So the question is, does it reactivate? So it does activate once it's down, so it's not like an Inktense pencil where it's ink dyeing into the paper. So you can reactivate that. So you may like that or you may not like that. And when one is dry, can you wipe it away? So you can wipe a lot of it away if you make a mistake. So if we want to go on top of that, that's nice and rich, and it does blend on top of the dried pastel. And then if you wanted to reactivate that, or activate the new color, it is going to blend with the colors underneath. So there may be some applications that you can use this with. Let's see about taking it right off, because I do this a lot with my Lyra color. Not the best application there. With the Lyra watercolor aqua colors, the waxy based ones, you can take it right off here and paint, which is nice. So not so much with that, but they are nice and creamy. And then if that ability to activate with water is something that you're looking for, this set may be for you. So I'll put some links down below, and then you can go ahead and check that out as I try to put these back in the right spot. So I'm going to file away my little swatch here, and that way you can refer to the colors whenever you're painting or doing different things. Thanks guys so much for joining me. Have a great day.